Hello, scholars. Today I'm going to show you what ELA materials we use for second grade. So you will receive, if you haven't already, in the mail a kit of school supplies, and in that school supply kit, it's a red box, you will have a marker board or a whiteboard with a marker, a dry erase marker that you can use. We will use this throughout the year for writing or practice when we are building or spelling words, so make sure you keep that handy. We will also need a notebook, which will become our writer's notebook, so that will be important to have, as well as a highlighter and a pencil. So make sure that those materials are out in front of you, or at least handy whenever we have ELA class. So the books that you will actually be getting are the MyView Literacy Student Interactive consumable books. So these are books that you can write in, and many of the assignments you'll find can be done in here, or they can also be done online in our LMS. So these books will be sent to you probably after the first few weeks of school or after enrolling. So look for those in the mail. I believe there are two of them. There may be a third book, but please make sure you keep all of these materials handy so that whenever we need them or whenever I need you to open up to them, they are close by. And another thing is, if we are not using them, make sure they are in a safe space, somewhere where they are not going to get lost and somewhere where you can easily access them, but other people in your house cannot have access necessarily. We just don't want them to get lost or to get ruined or to, accidentally get pages torn out of them, so make sure you keep them safe. The other and final ELA material that you will receive is the James and the Giant Peach novel that we will be reading in Unit 2 this year. This book, if you do receive it, please make sure you keep it safely in your box of materials and then only pull it out for Unit 2. So this will be a fun novel, and I know a lot of you may have seen the movie, maybe you have read the book before, but if not, I promise you it will be a great story. If you have any other questions about your ELA materials, please do not hesitate to ask your teachers. Thank you. Bye-bye.